Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing your media into Capcut and organizing it so editing is fast and predictable. Import everything at once, then make folders and label tracks. That reduces hunting for clips later. Choose the correct aspect ratio now, because once you edit, resizing causes rework. Once done, drag your main clip into V1, trim rough start and end points, and place supporting B-roll on V2. Make sure audio goes to S1, and set initial volume to a reference level. You now shape the story, trim tightly, and use split for precise cuts so pacing feels natural. Next, balance visuals, apply a preset, then tweak exposure, contrast, and saturation so skin tones look right. Once visuals feel coherent, add motion with keyframes and speed ramps to emphasize beats. Transitions should be subtle and purposeful. Also layer background music at -12 dB under dialogue, and use audio ducking when someone speaks. Make sure to watch the whole sequence to check rhythm and flow. You wrap up by preparing a final export tailored to the platform. Pick H. 264 MP4, match project frame rate, and choose a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Add captions and a strong thumbnail inside Capcut, then save an export preset for repeatability. Once exported, review the whole video on a phone to confirm audio levels and frame composition. If something goes wrong, relink any offline media or clear the app cache, then export a short clip to test fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.